friends, welcome to the course of PHP and MySQLi CRUD tutorial. Inside this video, we will see and download assets file. If I back to browser, so as we know that we are creating employee based CRUD application. So inside this CRUD application of employee, we need the layouts as main page, add employee page, list employees page, edit employee and delete employee page. So to add all these pages inside this employee based CRUD application, also as we had discussed inside last video that we need a bootstrap library. So inside this video, we will download bootstrap library so that we will use the features of bootstrap inside this CRUD application development. So from this bootstrap library, we will use the concept of bootstrap panels, bootstrap form, bootstrap buttons, bootstrap table. So there are several features actually we are going to use from bootstrap library. Later on inside this course, we will also use the concept of font awesome icon library. But for the time being, we don't need this font awesome library, we need only this bootstrap library so that we can proceed with the layouts development. So inside this video, we'll download bootstrap library and we'll place inside our project folder that the CSS library will go inside this CSS folder and JavaScript plugin file will go inside this JS folder. So let's go back to browser. And as simple as that, to download bootstrap library files, either you can type bootstrap cdn inside your search engine, or I am typing bootstrap panels, press enter. After passing bootstrap panels into your search engine, as we can see here, we are getting our first link as w3schools.com. so I am opening this w3schools.com. and whenever we click any of the button, try it yourself. Let's say that I'm clicking in this. So after clicking try it yourself, we can see here we have our output screen as well as here we have our source code screen. So inside this source code screen, as we can see here, we have three files linked. One is bootstrap main.css and other two JavaScript plugin files, that is jQuery.main.js and bootstrap main.js. So this is the CSS library what we need to download and put inside this CSS folder, and the other two, that is JavaScript plugin files, we need to download and will save inside this JS folder. So to download this file, what we'll do, simple, I will copy this file link from here, open a new tab, paste and press enter. As simple as that, right click here, click on save as. Whenever you click on save as, then it will go and save this file into your local system. So let's open, this is for the bootstrap.main.css. I will copy for this jQuery.main.js, copy, open a new tab, pasting it here, press enter. This is the second file. Again I will copy this third link, that is bootstrap.main.js, press enter. So we need to save these files into our local system. So I will go and save one by one each file into my local machine. Here you can see that I have downloaded all those files right here inside my local system. Let's go back to folder structure. And here as we can see, this is the bootstrap main.css what we saved. This is bootstrap.main.js and this one is jQuery.main.js. So I will go and cut this file, go inside live folder, CSS folder, and I'm go and paste it here. Next go back, select all these JS files, cut from here and paste inside this JS folder. Let's go back to editor. Inside this CSS folder, here we have our bootstrap library. Inside this JS folder, here we have JavaScript plugin files. Now in the next video, we will use the class and the CSS concept of this bootstrap and will create the attractive layout what we had seen inside this sample video. For example, as we can see, the look and feel of all these buttons, the hover effect, the label, the form alignments, all about this list employees buttons look and feel. So all these things actually the Bootstrap by default provides. Only the concept is we need to know, or we have the idea that how to use the Bootstrap classes inside our HTML files. So inside our coming videos, we will see and discuss all about Bootstrap classes, that how to use to create a Bootstrap form, Bootstrap panel, Bootstrap buttons, as well as Bootstrap table. So step by step inside this course we'll learn each thing very clearly. So in the very next video, we will create our first layout, that is index.php. And then we need to develop the next layout, that is for the add employee. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.